member today, so we're off to the store to curbside pick up some supply. So we just got back from Pet Value. We can only do curbside pickup because we're in lockdown. But the ladies at the pet store, they were very nice and they brought out some options for us to choose from for supplies for our dog. So my parents are setting up the crate for the puppy right now. And we got this adjustable bowl holder, and these are the bowls. We got puppy training pads, 10-pack. I picked out a matching collar and leash, very cute. We got a toy for the puppy. We already have this in a large size for Bob, but we figured let's get a little one for the puppy. And here's the big name reveal. So the dog we already have, his name is Bob. We got him a collar, or tag. And then the new puppy, her name is Millie. We should be expecting her in an hour or two, but yep, that's what we got at the store. We bought what we could during lockdown. We also got some food for the puppy. She can eat the same food as Bob, just less, I guess. I don't know. My parents know what to do. Hi, Millie. That's your big brother, Bob. Good boy, Bob. Can I touch her?
Yeah.
Come here, baby. Oh my gosh, she's so soft. Oh, look at you, pretty. So pretty. So pretty. I'm petting Bob. Don't pee on my shoes. Hi, baby. Millie. Oh, is she okay? Hi, baby. You're so clumsy. You're a clumsy girl. Hi. Hello. Hi, baby. Where you going? Hey, get out of here. What you smelling? What is she doing? I think she's eating. Hi, Millie. Scratch, 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 scratch.
That's cider on your face.
Hi, Bob. Ew, 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 ew. She looks so tiny compared to Bob. it? I don't know. I wasn't looking.
Num nums, eat your dinner.
No, can't eat out of his bowl. Nope. Oh, Bob. She wants to eat out of his bowl.
Right here.
She's probably used to sharing with her brothers and sisters.
Just the normal amount.
I always feel sleepy, Mom.
Just the normal amount of sleeping.
That's the first time she's barked.